In this video, we are going to fix bad stream quality issues inside Discord on Windows 11 devices. Try to make use of hardware acceleration feature in Discord. Launch Discord on your Windows 11 device. Click on the settings gear icon. Now select Voice and Video from the left sidebar. Scroll to Video Codec and enable the H.264 hardware acceleration toggle. Relaunch the Discord app and you should enjoy better video quality. A custom video background uses more resources on Discord, which may impact the stream quality during video calls. To disable it, launch Discord on your Windows 11 device. Click on the settings gear icon. Now select Voice and Video from the left sidebar. Scroll to Video Background and select None. You can enable the Quality of Service High Packet Priority toggle that hints to your router that the packets Discord is transmitting are high priority. To enable it with Discord open, click on the settings gear icon. Now select Voice and Video from the left sidebar. Scroll to the Quality of Service menu. Enable the High Packet Priority toggle, and that's it. Hopefully this video helps you in fixing bad stream quality issues inside Discord on your Windows 11 device. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.